What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jecs Kicks, and today we're here with a great unboxing of the Virgil Abloh Archive Jordan 1 Alaska's here. And so there was a few raffles. Actually, there's still a few raffles going on live, so I highly recommend you guys go and join those raffles, because the first raffle of these shoes, I entered it and a lot of people seem to got dubs. Like as soon as I saw that I got a W, I was like, oh yeah, there has to be a good amount of stock, because the fact that I got a W, that means there's going to be a good amount of stock. And so there's still multiple raffles live, and I believe these will be dropping on Sneakers app either April 3rd or 4th. So definitely stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show it off for you guys, quick and easy. Make sure you guys follow my main channel as well, JECS Gaming, and all the links to my other socials are in the description down below. Comes in this nice paper, as you guys can see, size 14. Just like that. Very heavy box. This is extremely heavy box, by the way. Way heavier than any other pair of shoes that I have. And off rip, you guys do get a nice little sticker here, which looks really cool. There it is. There's a sticker. Nice. Just take it off like that. Cool. Let me know, did you guys get a W on the raffle or took an L? Do you guys plan on getting it? I definitely would like to know who got a W and who didn't. I definitely would like to know. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about the shoe. And here we go, guys. Remember, this is a size 14. Here's a look at the box again. Very nice. Classic holes in the box. Really cool. All right, let's open it up. So it opens up like this, I believe. Ooh, okay. Oh, and then we slide it out, I guess. Is that what happens? Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. Oh, shoot. So I have not seen any unboxings of the shoe. I want to keep this organic, but dang. Okay, look at this. So this is what's inside of the packaging off rip. Nice. Oh, wow. Nah, this is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Look at this. See, this is some awesome stuff right here. Wow. I'm not gonna show off the full booklet, but I'll just show off some more of the different artworks and stuff. But yeah, that's really cool. Definitely want to keep this in good condition for sure. That is a really nice touch and add on to the shoe. Now I'm gonna say this, all right, off rip, the presentation looks great. This is exciting. I know the resale price, obviously I don't plan on reselling any of these shoes. I plan on keeping them, but for people that might take L's on all the raffles and stuff, if you guys, I don't know, it's going to be a tricky release because the price is going down, but as soon as that Sneakers app, you know, raffle goes away, like after it's all said and done, I think the price is going to stay where it's at or go higher. So it's going to be kind of risky if you do take L's. Definitely try to plan out like when would be the best time to buy this shoe, if you guys do plan on doing that as well. But here we go. Let's go ahead and open it up. That's everything. Oh, what's this? What? Oh, what the heck? What the heck? Okay, hold on. Oh shoot. So this is a part of the box. Okay, I don't want to pull that too hard, else that could be an issue. We'll just keep that back there. But here's what the inside looks like. Really cool. And here are the kicks. Right here, look at that. That looks beautiful. So as you guys can see, pretty much the same logo as the stickers all over on top of a Jordan logo. Really nice. All around. Very beautiful. Okay. Beautiful presentation, guys. Oh boy, here we go, guys. So here is the left shoe here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This looks beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. As you guys can see, instead of saying off-white, it says V.A.A. for the Virgil Abloh Archive for Nike. Really nice here. You go here as well. You see the 85. Very nice shoe overall. So far, quality looks really good from what I'm looking at. There's the Wings logo and 85 on the inside as well. Really good. Dang. I'm so happy. Oh my, look at that white. Oh, that looks beautiful. I'm so happy more people are gonna be able to get this shoe. Obviously, the Europe version of the shoe, the original version of the shoe, you know, it's crazy on the market, but hey, we now get our hands on it. And it looks like we also are going to be getting more V.A.A shoes coming up soon. Not from, it's not going to be a Jordan, but I think it's going to be a different Nike model. But do you guys think we're going to see any other you know, different Jordan 1 collabs as well? I hope so. Hey, Chicago's, the UNC's, a new colorway, who knows? I'll definitely take it, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section down below. Here's the hang tag as well. Inside's kind of hard to see. There you go, if you guys can read that. So as you guys can see, got the nice off-white here colorway on throughout the midsole, and then throughout the shoe, as you guys can see here, it's like a mint blue, kind of like a tint to it, like right here, all throughout, and then the other parts are white of the shoe. And as you guys can see here, we get white laces off rip. Then we also get the mint blue type of laces, black laces here as well. And then bam, purple laces to end it off there. Really cool. Now, I don't know which laces I'm going to use. Definitely let me know which laces you will be using. And here's a look at the tongue here. Sponge tongue as well. Obviously, it's going to say shoelaces on all the shoelaces as well. And here's the inside of the shoe here. Look at that. Oh, wow. This is a really nice shoe overall. Just tons of cool details on it as well. And to have this in the shoe collection is amazing. This shoe is definitely staying in the collection 1,000,000,000%. And here's a look at the right shoe here, guys. Same details pretty much all over the shoe. Really nice quality overall. Don't see any quality control issues. Got another hang tag as well, made in China. Here's the back. There's the bottom. Really good, man. Wow, I love the blue little mint on like of the look of the shoe, you know, that looks just really good. Here's the inside as well. Now, want to keep in mind though, a shoe like this, all right, if you, for all my people that like to sit on their shoes for a little bit, not, you know, not rock them right away, I just want to let you guys know, if you guys don't know, shoes like this, they do turn yellow over time, especially an all white shoe like this. So everywhere where you see like the mint blue, this is all going to start turning yellow. I say give it about 3 to 4 years, depending, and then quicker if you wear the shoe a lot. But yeah, all this will start turning yellow. You know what? Actually, I got you guys. Give me a sec. So I have the off-white Nike Air Force One mids. I also have some other different Nike off-whites as well, but these are a great example. I've worn these a good amount, but not like an insane amount. And here is what they look like. When did this come out? 2020, 2022? I don't know. Really can't remember, but as you guys can see, it's not as, you can't really see it as much, but definitely in hand you can see it is yellow, and that's what these shoes typically do. So just to let you guys know, especially the backs, look at that, this thing was pure white just like this, and it's like, you know, all my shoes look pretty clean even when I wear them a lot. So just want to let you guys know, when you wear these a lot, or if you just keep them, you can keep them in the box. When you pull them out 3, 4, 5 years from now, these will be yellow just like this. So just want to let you guys know about that, just in case you guys were wondering. But yeah, guys, overall, I am just so happy to have this shoe in the collection. Like, as a shoe collector, this means a lot to me. And you know, I'm very happy about this. This shoe right here, I need a double up, man. I do, because I'm gonna wear this shoe. But if I have two, oh my god, I'm about to wear the mess out of this shoe. If I can get a double up, I have to say it. It's rare occasions where I'm like, I gotta get a double up. This shoe right here, I gotta get a double up. I have to. I entered all the raffles. I'll be there for Sneakers app. Hopefully if I can get one more dub, I'll be happy. But hey, if I take an L, it's cool. got the shoe in hand. It's cool, like we're chilling. But you know, the scarcity of what's about to happen in April. I'm telling you guys this now. If you guys take L's on all the raffles and don't get anything come April 3rd or 4th, like it's gonna be a game time decision on if you guys should pull the trigger or not, because I'm telling you this now. After that sneakers release, I think these things are just gonna fly up the market, and that's what I'm afraid of. So it's like, whew, hey, you know, hey, good luck on everybody for those raffles. Hopefully you guys get a W as well. But man, it's gonna be crazy. April is gonna be crazy, man. I know there's tons of raffles for this shoe, but there's gonna be a lot of L's still. And come sneakers app, I think that's the last shot. After the sneakers app, that is it. I don't think that they'll be dropping these anymore, and then they'll just be on to the next collab for the V.A.A, you know, collection. So we'll see what happens. But overall, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you guys like this shoe a lot? Do you guys think that they are just as good as the off-white version, which is pretty much the exact same, except for it's saying V.A.A instead of off-white? But definitely let me know what you guys think overall. The quality is absolutely amazing. Which shoelaces do you plan on using for the shoe as well? And definitely let me know if you guys took a W on the raffle or not. I would love to know how many people actually took a dub on the raffle. And what's your favorite part of the shoe, guys? All right, definitely stay tuned for more. We got a lot more videos to showcase, guys, of clothes and shoes as well. And yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace out, everybody. See you guys on the next one.